And welcome to Lavonne's Kitchen. We're giving our new quick tasty tip of the day. Today I'm going to show you how to add some flavor to your butter. It's so easy and it makes the butter delicious, which you can add to other foods. You can have it nice and creamy, or you can cut it into different shapes. You can even have decorative shapes, have some pretty butter. But this is just how easy it is. First of all, you're just going to get the herbs that you want to use. Then you're going to get you some butter and let it sit out till it's at least room temperature so that it will get melted. You don't want it to melt all the way. You just want it soft. So once it's soft, you're going to add your herbs to it. You're going to mix those herbs in very well so that, everything's combined. After you do that, you're going to take that butter and get some saran wrap and roll it. You're going to roll it into like a log. After you get that log rolled up nice and tight, you're going to take that butter and put it in the freezer for a while so that it solidifies. Once it solidifies, you're able to slice it. Then you can have different pieces. You can slice it however you want to slice it. Like I said, you can slice it into different shapes. You could use cookie cutters to make it into different shapes, or just have slices. Then when you have those slices and you need some butter, some extra flavor for something like your steak or whatever, you could just put that seasoned butter right on top of that steak. You can take that herb butter and put it in your vegetables. You can even just smear it on some toast or some type of good French bread or whatever type of bread. But it's good, it's tasty, and it was easy.